SM Ecoland again, and we're going to cross the road. I hope you can hear me because apparently audio has been crazy for the past days. While I have been editing, I have noticed changes in my camera's audio quality. Oh my god, that was a fast car. But anyway, it's a Sunday. Today is May 25, 2014. This is my makeup of the day. I wasn't able to finish my face, but yeah, I'll show you my outfit later. I'm here at 360 and I ordered milk tea. Sobrang minimal vlogging. We're now here at SM Lanang Premiere. Magkalayo to, I tell you. End-to-end SM. From SM Ecoland to SM Lanang. So we're just going in. And I hope I could show you something interesting because it seems na wala naman akong nakikita interesting sa Ecoland. So we just went to Sperry, tapos I forgot to vlog. So yeah, we're heading to G Factory kasi gusto ko tumingin ng G-Shock. Paolo's choosing some wallets. For the meantime, I'm trying on this cap. Nice, no? Bagay sa aking outfit. Because it's kind of like green. What's I'm here at G Factory at sana andito pa yung gusto kong watch. Ay! Mukhang wala na. Wala no. Shit, wala na siya. Yan ang sanity. Eh, kasi di nyo ginapansin eh. So the watch I was rooting for, so sad kasi it's not available anymore. Last week andun yun. I'm gonna check out Prestige, baka meron sila. I just want to try it out on my wrist if I would like it or not. But so far we're just hanging here by the thingamajig. Okay. Kasi yan, this is SM Lanang. Sige, punta muna tayo sa Prestige. Be? Doon muna dun Prestige. Sige no. Pati sa Prestige, wala na yung gusto kong watch. I have to look at other... Ay, tomorrow, may muktiyan ko sa Time Depot. Meron. So, I went on and got a new casing for my iPhone 4S. Finally, after so long. Okay ba? Si Paolo din. Patingin sa'yo.
Tagal na to.
Ay, hindi ka pa nakabili?
Hindi ko gisuot.
Ay? Tapos dala mo. Saan na yun?
Kay mama.
Sure ka? Ay, kasi... Wait lang. Sure ka hindi dala yun ni mama kasi naguluhan sila. So we're heading to Globe kasi nandito sila mama. Apparently, andun lang pala kay mama yung case ni Pao. Nag-argue pa kami. So what I was saying is that we went to Samsung. I went to see their Note 3 kasi I want to get a new phone or maybe get a new gadget kasi my phone has no Wi-Fi. If you didn't know, okay, may tao nakatingin. My phone died. Actually, yung sinasabi sa internet is nag-gray out yung Wi-Fi, but mine did not really gray out. Actually, sinasabi sa internet is nung nag-gray out ng Wi-Fi. I could still actually turn on my Wi-Fi, but then, di na ako makasearch ng networks. So, this is just the saddest thing ever. I think I haven't really shared this with you guys yet, but now you know. So, I went there sa Power Mac. Tapos, they told me na I could get a new replacement. I mean, a new iPhone 4S for, I think, 12,000 pesos. So, bili nila ako ng 5S kung ganun. So, I'm thinking to get an iPad mini na lang. Kasi since it's handy naman din to bring. So, what do you guys think? So, that's Power Mac Center. Oh, may sale pala sila. May sale pala sila. I didn't know. But me and Pa were planning to go somewhere, look around stuff. Ito rin yung Samsung. I was actually interested in getting Galaxy Grand din. Pero, I don't know, parang, kasi kung bibili ako ng bagong phone, saan naman ito mapupunta? Pero actually, plano ko, bumili ako ng phone, kay Papa na lang.
Kaya ano, like ka sa katulong. Siyempre, hindi mo pala.
Sa katulong, ang yaman naman natin. Whatever. Guess what? I wanted this shirt so badly. I tried it. It's for men. It looks cute though. We're at Cotton On, by the way. And we just left Cotton On. Tapos, yeah, nakabili siya kasi he wanted something and I got him the sombrero. Sombrero. The cap. Anong tawag dyan? Ball cap. Kasi yun. It's my gift for him for his birthday, which is next month pa naman. But whatever.
Mindfuck.
So I had no choice because wala siyang pera. Haha. Okay, I hope you're happy. Are you happy? Are you happy? Parang si Viviane ka ba? Are you happy, baby?
Happy. Viviane ka, happy.
Dahil tapos na mag-shopping si Pao, tingin na lang ako sa F21. Hanggang tingin na lang muna kasi wala na akong pera. Kasi naubos na sa regalo niya eh.
Ay, 2,000 doon.
What the hell? What do you think about knuckle rings? Ako, I'm really into buying jewelry but I tend to not wear them. Kaya minsan sasayang lang. So I just recalled I wanted to look at the makeup of Forever 21. Wala sila dito nung hinahanap ko. The one that Jaja featured. Velvet matte gloss something. It's not here. So sad. I wanted to get this so long ago na for my vanity. For only... cute. Maybe if I really need it na. Super cute nito pang workout. Super cute. Walang presyo. Ayan. Gosh. Just for friggin' working out. Is this serious? This is $195? I want the red one. What do you think? I'm so into this tops nowadays. T-shirt like pang super comfy lang. Kabila, yan. Nandun sila mama.
Evening, I'm welcome to Forever 21.
Patingin niya. Anyway, I got a plain shirt from Forever 21. As usual, I'm so into plains nowadays. Super. We're going to Auntie Anne's. Andun sila mama.
Tingnan niya, ano na. Dalian man daw yun. May mga dagdag pa daw. Kami ang kabilang ko.
May tip.
Pinita mo kagad ang bayan, hindi mo alam ano yung...
So we're now headed to the car park. And I think we're going home already. So that concludes today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Although my vlogs may be a little boring sometimes or the audio is crappy, but whatever. So I hope to see you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye. Bye.